Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Reddit account. You can browse for any topic on Reddit to learn about some discussions about any niche you like without signing up for an account. You can read posts and comments even if you have no Reddit account. But if you want to drive traffic to your website, promote your products or services, or share content on the platform, you need to create an account on Reddit. So just go to reddit.com and tap on this arrow icon. You will see this window will pop up for you. Just tap on the last option, log in and sign up. Now from here in the end you will see this new to Reddit. Tap on sign up and you have to enter your email that you want to use on reddit.com. Click on continue. Now you have to create a password, and after creating password you have to tap on this I'm not a robot. Just click on continue, and now you can see that Reddit want to know something about you. Just select your gender, and from here you have to tell the Reddit your interest, like funny jokes, memes, or basically you have to tell your interest, what post you want to see on Reddit. And after this you can join some communities. There are top communities. If you want to join them, just tap on this plus icon like this, and if you don't want to join, just tap on it again and it will be undo. And after joining the communities, just tap on this continue. You can select your avatar and you can edit it as well, but I'm okay with it, so tap on continue and you can see that my account is being created now. And that's it. Now you can see that my Reddit account is created and I can use it now ever way I want. So that's it. That's how you can create account on Reddit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.